Hi everyone, it's Marius from Pickup Media here. Today we're at Pink Kimberley Diamonds in Sydney, Australia to show you how pink diamonds look inside the GemLightbox Macro. So I've got a very beautiful stone inside the Macro at the moment. This is a Argyle Pink Diamond Round Brilliant Cut 5P SIAV 0.1 carats. So even though it is a 0.1 carat stone, because it is inside the GemLightbox Macro, which has a 10 times zoom, the stone is looking very sharp and very detailed. Right now we've got on a black background just to give us that extra contrast. So we're going to start off with a video of the stone. To take a video, simply press the red button and it's going to spin around to give us that beautiful 360-degree video. As it's moving, we're going to see the different colored pinks inside the stone, which is very important. And we're going to see that beautiful cut and those beautiful details as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So now we're going to press save. And I'm going to follow this up with a 90-degree video. So what 90-degree video does is it shows us the front of the stone without giving away the back of the stone. So this is really good if you just want to show the front but still show off all the different angles of the stone. Okay, very good. And then if you want to do a very quick video, maybe for your clients who don't have as much attention span, I recommend the 45-degree video. So this one just moves slightly to the right and left, but it still shows off the movement, so you see the different colors in the stone. Now I'm going to follow up with a photo of the stone. So just switch to the photo camera, press the green button. Even though it's a 0.1 carat stone, still very detailed and you're getting all those beautiful facets. So we'll press save. And next, I'm going to compare the stone to the photos and videos just to show you how beautiful that color is. Tiny stone, 0.1 carats. With the GemLightbox Macro, you can photograph stones from 0.1 carats all the way to 50 carats. So once again, this is Marius from Pickup Media at Pink Kimberley Diamonds